My dear student, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. This is my last video for 12th class mathematics students. If you attend all my videos and my formula videos sincerely and practice very well, you can score easily 70 to 80% marks. I am doing this video especially for poor students who are not able to understand online classes. See, the question is, express matrix 4, 2, 3, 5 as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let A is equal to A equal matrix 4, 2, 3, 5. This is matrix A. Therefore, we know A transpose equal 4, 2, 3, 5. That we know. Therefore, A plus A transpose equal 4 plus 4, that is 8, 2 plus 3, that is 5, 3 plus 2, that is 5, then 5 plus 5, that is 10. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Therefore, let P equal A plus A transpose whole divided by 2. That is equal to A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose is 8, 5, 5, 10. Therefore, all divided by 2. So, this will be equal to 4, 5 by 2. Then 5 by 2, 5 by 2, then 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay? Then P transpose equal 4, 5 by 2, 4, 5 by 2, then 5 by 2, 5, 4, 5 by 2, then 5 by 2, 5. That is P equal P transpose. Therefore, P is symmetric. P is symmetric. Similarly, Q is equal A minus A transpose by 2 equal A minus A transpose by 2. A minus A transpose, that is 4 minus 4. That is 0. Then 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Then 3 minus 2, that is 1. Then 5 minus 5, that is 0. Whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. 1 by 2. That is equal to 0 by 2, 0. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, then 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, then 0 by 2, that is 0, that is equal to Q. Then Q transpose equal 0 minus 1 by 2, then 1 by 2, 0. that is equal to, that is take minus outside, take minus outside, that is minus of 0 minus 1 by 2, then 1 by 2, then 0, 0 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, that is equal to minus q, that is equal to minus q. So q transpose equal to minus q. Therefore, q is skew symmetric. Therefore, A equal P plus Q. A equal P plus Q. That is P plus Q. That is equal to, therefore A is equal to P plus Q. That is, we know P is equal to 4, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5. Then Q is equal to 0 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. So P plus Q is equal to, that is P plus Q is equal to 4 plus 0, that is equal to 4. Then 5 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Then 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is equal to 3, that is equal to 3. Then 5 plus 0 by 2, that is equal to 5 plus 0, that is 5. That is the answer. That is 4, 2, 3, 5. A is equal to P plus Q. That is 4, 2, 3, 5. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Okay? Next question is, the question is, find cos 15, sin 15, sin 75, cos 75. That is equal to cos 15, cos 75 minus sin 15, sin 75. That is equal to cos A minus B form. That is cos A minus B. That is cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos A plus B equal cos 15 plus 75. That is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is equal to cos 90. That is equal to 0. Hence the answer. Clear? So all the formula you must study by heart. This is cos A plus B form. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That is cos 15 plus 75. That is equal to cos 90. That is equal to 0. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Next question is, my dear students, question is, A is equal to matrix 3, 5, minus 1, 7. Then find adjoint A. So, adjoint A, we must find out adjoint A, that is, this is equal to A equal 3, 5, minus 1, 7. We know A11 equal, that is first row and first column. A11 1 plus 1, that is even, therefore positive. So A11 equal 7. A12 first row second column. 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. That is odd number. Therefore, minus. So, A1, 2. That is minus 1. Minus 1. That is equal to plus 1. A1, 1. That is equal to 7. A1, 2. That is equal to plus 1. Then similarly, A2, 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3. That is odd. Therefore, minus. A2, 1. A2, 1, that is second row, first column. Therefore, 5. But 2 plus 1, that is 3. Therefore, odd. Odd is minus. So, this is equal to minus 5. Then, A22. A22. 2 plus 2, 4. That is even number. So, positive. A22. That is second row, second column. That is equal to 3. Therefore, adjoint A equal 7, 1, minus 5, 3, all transpose, that is equal to 7, 1, minus 5, 3. Hence the answer. Clear? 7, 1, minus 5, 3. Okay? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. So, I completed all my videos. If you attend all these videos sincerely and practice, you can easily score 70 to 80% marks, even the below average students. Please attend all my formula videos daily, so it will be by hearted. I am doing all these videos especially for poor students. Wish you all the best. Thank you.